I will show how to use application for converting JSON file to HTML with template. So you can see on my computer I have a USA state JSON. It's a JSON file. I can double click on it to open it into JSON viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of JSON file, and it's trying to present JSON data as a table, and I also can export into different formats. And this JSON, I will use this JSON file as for converting as an example for converting it into HTML. And you can see it has a name, code, region, subregion, country for all states, US states from Alabama to Wyoming. I can also open this JSON into Notepad just to show you what is inside. Inside is a states, and for every is array, and for every record we have name, code, region, subregion. And to download application, I will go on this website. I will link on site into description, and to find application, I click on search and type JSON to HTML, and I need this JSON to HTML template, and click on download button to start the loading process. I will be recording more videos on how to convert JSON file into different formats, including CSV, XML, and so on. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, we're waiting for small archive to be downloaded from Google Clouds. In a second. Yeah, sometimes Google Clouds cannot scan. I'll just click download anyway, but normally it's scanning, which is good, and because it's always checking for if there is anything wrong with the archive and checking files in archive. So it's nice to know that archive is safe. Alright, then I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info on this screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this. And I need this file USA states into my documents. I will use it. So to launch app, I'll double click on shortcut. And conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, we'll have to select JSON file we like to convert. So I'll click on this input and navigate to my US state JSON. It's file I need. Click on next step. Here is conversion options. It's a conversion template, or how to convert JSON for into HTML. Obviously, if you have a different JSON file, you will have a different template here. But header and footer is just normal template. I can change it. I can add, for example, border number, right? And I don't know, I can remove country and maybe put code first. So yeah, basically we can do whatever we want with the template. Add anything we want. Add hyperlinks inside. For example, I can search, make code as a hyperlink. I can do google.com/search/ and add code here, right? And then I can also add target equal blank to open it into new window, and so on. So I can do whatever I want here. And if everything is looking good, I click on next step, and on file step I click run to create HTML file. It's asking me for name location. This name location fine. I just click save, and let's open file. Yeah, as you can see, I made Yeah, its link is incorrect, but I can fix it here. Right, do HTTPS. Oops. And click on next and regenerate. Let's save the same file. Yep. Reload. Yep. And something like this. Yeah. So you can see I have a link here. I have a name and region and subregion here, and so on. So I can. It all depends on template I'm using. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application of this or more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.